Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I told you last week that I had an opportunity coming up, very interesting, and I suggested you take a trial and you check it out. Well, if you did take a trial, I'm sure you made money because that opportunity worked even better than I expected. And this week I'm telling you that I have at least one opportunity, if not several opportunities, for you to enter a very strong trend, very strong momentum, and you are extremely likely to make money. Moreover, there is one market that I suspect might be turning around and starting a trend that would last probably for the rest of your life. I'm not joking. Probably this trend is going to last for decades because it is correcting a decades-long trend. It is possible that we are seeing an historical turnaround, and you will find out if you see this full-length video of 80 minutes that I just finished to record for my subscribers. Other than that, I include this week 2 clips. I hope you enjoy them. If you need further information, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. Have a great week and good watching. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week oil surged. Precious metals also were very firm. Stock market continued up. Dollar came down. I'll be examining many charts in this video to see if this trend that was pretty strong this week is likely to continue in the weeks and months to come, or I'll be reaching some important resistance levels and that trend will be stopped in its track. I've got the following charts. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar South African rand, Australian dollar euro, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar Japanese yen. And then gold, silver, platinum, light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, gasoline, euro bond, USD bond, the TYX, the S&P 500, the DAX. And then I've got the Chinese Securities Index, the Nikkei, and 3 special situations with uranium stocks. I already covered it, the uranium issue, during the past week, but I'll add a few more interesting situations here. That's Laramide, Pinetree Capital, and J&R Resources. Okay, that's the dollar index, and we're looking here at the weekly scale. So Australian dollar euro. Now something is going on here. Yeah, it could actually have I mean, the movement in the last week could actually signal that something big is going on that could affect this forex pairs for months, at least for months, if not for a year or more. What I have in mind is possible that the revival that we are seeing in the euro, not just against the dollar, we are seeing it also against the Japanese yen, and it is gaining strength. It is possible that in fact the euro nailed the top of the first leg that began from here of a multi-year rally in the Australian dollar. Yeah, sorry, the Australian dollar nailed the top against the euro round here. And I am opening here the door wide open to consider all of that as a triangle. Okay, we're picking up a 1-2 somewhere here. It's not terribly clear, but the point is I'm trying to communicate to you, if we do have a top here, we're going to have a correction that will go on for many months, as I said, maybe more than a year, to correct the first surge in the Australian dollar euro that you see here. Okay, we had 1, 2, 3, more than 3 years surge, and we will be coming now for a correction. It will slump down towards 70, maybe possibly lower, before it is ready to continue substantially higher. Let's now look carefully at the daily chart. Now my assumption, if you remember, was that we possibly have a 1-2 somewhere here. I wasn't very convinced about that. I was convinced about the move that began, that ran up from here. and it really gave us a textbook development all the way up there, and also here it was quite convincing. But what happened very recently, and these arrows date from quite some time, I was telling you that this could be a danger scenario for this wave count, meaning that this could actually fall apart. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 idea will fall apart. It registered the top here, and the Australian dollar will go slumping towards 71.70 in a correction, yes, that would last for many months. Now, I would urge you not to do anything concerning this forex pair. There are plenty other better opportunities in forex and in other markets right now. Leave this market alone. Let's see what it comes up with in the next week or two. If it manages to climb back up above 81, we are probably okay with our 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, even if it's going to take a bit of time. But if it continues to slide, of course, it is already looking pretty dangerous for the longs. I think it continues to slide under 79. It breaks through 77.50, and this is over. This is finished. It's going to crash towards 70. Okay, let's have a look at the 60 minutes. Take a look. That was my idea of an ABC. Fine. That could still work out with this being an A. That's a B. If that's an extended C, yes, all of that will play as a common. We need to see it running back up convincingly. Right now, this is looking miserable and very dangerous for the longs. There's another option here, and some of you might say, but that looks like 5 legs down, with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, but you see that it's got its own problems. This is not looking like a clean 5 legs down. So that could be 1, 2, and that's a third wave, complete or not, as part of the major correction down. Let me show you something else. If indeed it finished now the third wave, yeah, with this being 1, 2, and that's a third, what's going to happen is that it will not manage to climb substantially above this level. It'll just sag and create this kind of scenario, what I had in mind several weeks ago when I told you about the danger situation for the longs. These arrows date from quite some time ago, maybe more than a week, 2 weeks or so. So that's going to be, if you like, placed here rather than here. It's just the issue of time. Yesterday it came at this point in time, and but the level doesn't change. The level doesn't change. It stays at this level. It draws a triangle here. I think that will be a very strong signal. It is heading lower. You might be looking at a move like that, or maybe actually crash all the way down to 70. If you remember on the daily and the weekly chart, it will crash through that. Will go way lower. Okay, this is Pinetree Capital. This is a stock that is involved in the resources sector, but it is a special stock because it is not a straightforward mining company. It is more like a hedge fund that invests in small resources stocks. And it can be a good alternative if you are feeling uncomfortable investing your money in one mining company, and you like to go into, if you like, an ETF style investment, and that could fit the bill. And this, as you can see, it is right now 182. I can't promise you it will go to 16. It was there within less than 2 years. You can see that. It now he has been going nowhere for so many years. A rally is coming. Take a look. This is the weekly. Again, inverse head and shoulders, and look at the MACD. MACD is telling us it's easily going to run above the level here. And to promise you that it's going back to test the level here, I can't promise you that. But I can tell you, if you get even a fulfillment of this inverse head and shoulders on the weekly scale, and it does appear very likely that it's going to run above this level, that will already in itself will be fantastic return. So take a look. This is another situation you may want to consider. Here is a clear inverse head and shoulders, a firm run above 2, weekly close above 2, and the rally is on, in my opinion. Don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. his testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me the specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word by all means. I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.